Recovery is important. Having that balance, taking that break is important. And I guarantee you, if you hit a plateau, or if you just want to see more progress and you've been going for a while, take that time off, recover, and you'll see the benefits dramatically.
That ain't nothing but boxers. You see my socks off. They ain't nothing but boxers. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Are you watching? We out of them 190s. We out of them 190 joints. Swole as fuck.
Yo, what's good? Good morning. How you guys doing? Every time I wake up, I feel bigger, right? I feel thicker. The rest and recovery is very important. Now, but to that point, last night I made a video about rest and recovery and how everyone should get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. And ironically, I got 4 hours of sleep. Went to bed at 1. And I was basically just up because once I reached a certain threshold, past 10 o'clock, definitely past 12, my body's like, oh, okay, well, clearly we're not going to bed, so let's get up. And I was up, fell asleep at 1:30, woke up again at 2, stayed up till 3, went back to bed at 3:30, woke up at 7. So it was about 4 hours of sleep, right? I don't know if you can tell in my eyes today, but about 4 hours of sleep. And yeah, there's a lot to do today. The days do not get easier or less jam-packed. I actually have a job opportunity now. I'm at a gym to work with, and I have to make a decision on that too as well. So we got a lot going on. We're gonna show you our meals, what we're doing every day, how I'm getting bigger. I weighed in today at about 202 pounds, just my boxers on, so I'm feeling good. We're definitely going to take a rest day today because, like I said, you need 7 to 9 hours of sleep to recover, let alone put out more energy and to improve. And so I'm not going to force a bike ride today because today is bike ride. It's very nice outside, but it's 11 o'clock. It takes about an hour. I have work at 2, so there's no reason to jam that in there, right? So this day is just gonna be used to make content, make vlogs for the vegan. What's up? What's up?
Milk.
Yeah, I'm making a video. So come back later, okay?
That's you. Dad.
That's me, yeah. You just clout chasing. You know I was making a video. Alright, so like I said, not going to rush use this day to make up videos. I'm about to have my first meal today. It's 8 o'clock or it's 11 o'clock. I had my shake this morning already, 2 scoops with creatine and glutamine. 2 scoops with creatine and glutamine. And yeah, about to have a salad. Regular day, get some sun. The sun's out today. And that's what we got going on. Next time you see me, I'll have my meal. I'll show you what we're eating and we will go from there. Alright, peace. Today is day 59 of the Vegan Athlete Series. I like to say it so I can remind myself when I'm recording and just to let you guys know if you didn't see it on the title, if you just skipped the first 5 minutes or seconds of the intro and you're just like, what series is this? Or what day is this? It's day 59.
I've been on the camera for 2 minutes and I'm for sure going for a bike right now.
For sure.
So I appreciate you guys
This
for
is day
watching,
50 I'm recording.
liking, commenting, allowing me to get back on the video, on the camera, and you know, just express myself. It really helps. So that's it. That's this morning's little update. About to go on a bike ride. I'm not really. Yeah, we're going for time. Fuck it. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing if we're not going for time? If we're not PRing?
We're playing around.
Heavy. What are we doing? Kind of just like maintaining. That's not a real thing. You're either going forward or you're going backwards. You know what I'm saying?
All right, so I just got done eating my food. Also, just this error code. Do you still want to? Oh, I don't have enough space. I've made so many goddamn videos and content that I don't have enough space on my hard drive. So let me real quick show you guys what I had to eat. As if you don't know at this point. I had, look at that picture, see that green in the middle? You see that green in the middle? So I had the arugula at the bottom, algae oil on top, raisins, walnuts, peas, corns, red onions, and mixed beans, and lemon tarragon dressing, and some sesame ginger dressing, salt, pepper, cayenne. And you wonder how these gains are being made. This and protein shakes is how. we're gonna keep doing the same thing all series. Nothing's going to change. Unless, you know, they come out with a study and be like, yo, salads are actually killing people. And then although it's a scientific study, I'm gonna be like, I don't know. I'm gonna be skeptical, open-minded, but I'm gonna be skeptical. So we're basically gonna be doing the same thing. So we gotta get ready for work soon. I'm gonna go sit in the sun, hang out, just relax. I got a lot to do. This is all the stuff I write down this on a daily basis. I call it daily power list. About 5 things, make sure to get it done. And if you do 5 things every day, you check the box every single day. By the time the week's over, by the time the month's over, by the time whatever the end of the goal is, you should have your result, right? But if not, you look back and be like, oh, I didn't do these vlogs on this day. Oh, I didn't go to the gym on this day. Oh, I didn't do this here. And then you have something to look back on. So just grab a piece of paper. This is actually a piece of mail that I'm not gonna use. I just run it back here. Finish vlogs 49, 50, 51. I've done 49 and 50 so far. Create a 2-day plan for one of my clients. I've started that halfway. Abs at the gym. We're not doing that because look at me. I'm on 4 hours of sleep. So I'm just gonna cross that one out. 6 pieces of content for IG. So far I'm at 2. And then content for Snap and all that stuff. I got all that taken care of. And then I gotta go to work, which is in about an hour, a little bit less. So I'm gonna go sit in the sun, guys. And next time you see me, I will most likely be over there in the corner. It'll be dark, it'll be nighttime, and I'll be busting down the questions. So keep the questions coming, and I will see you tonight. Peace. 10:48 at night. Smoothie, protein shake on my face, and 4 hours of sleep. I was falling asleep at work. It's either in my head or I'm ridiculously hungry, and I'm not gonna chance it. So protein shake, had a salad that I'll talk about once I get back upstairs. And based on how the shake's going, I think I'm gonna need some more food. Okay. So, running on those 4 hours of sleep that we got. Okay. It's officially 11 o'clock. And at some point, you just gotta turn your body off. You gotta be like, I know what you're feeling, bro, but it's 11 o'clock. So there's no way we're gonna be eating another meal. That's why I had the protein shake. Because the protein shake will be easier to digest it. I'm gonna stay up for another 30 minutes. And versus food have to be broken down. Right? It takes a little bit more energy to break down food. A little longer time to break down food. Protein shakes just blend it up, so it's already turned into a liquid, so it's easy to be absorbed, right? Because the body just takes the food, breaks it down, takes the nutrients, turns it into a liquid. Solid waste, juicy starburst. Conundrum. Contradiction. Alright, this is what I had. Work was crazy. You wouldn't think we're in a pandemic. Tonight I had a little arugula, corn, peas, beans, raisins, walnuts, red onions, more beans, algae oil, avocado oil, salt, pepper, cayenne. No dressing this time. I was so infatuated and in love with this salad that I didn't even notice that it was missing. So that's what I had. You guys just told me I had a protein shake, so I mixed 3 protein shakes today. Salad. I think 2 salads. 2 salads, 3 shakes. I'm exhausted. Well, let's see if we can get a question in for you guys. Alright, let's talk about recovery. And how recovery doesn't just involve sleep, which is important. We've talked about that. Sleep is major when it comes to recovery and repair of the human body. If you're building muscle, that's where you build the most muscle in recovery mode. You wake up after a couple of days of recovering and taking off from the gym, or even deloading, so you're doing lighter workouts but you're still active. I like to take off, man. I like to just take off. I know people say if you deload you won't get hurt because your muscles, and you can do some active things with resistance bands and body weight, but I don't touch weight, man. I don't touch any iron. I just relax. I'm so sideways right now. I just relax and Literally changed my position, changed how tired I was, and wild. So recovery is important. I'm gonna be doing a detox here soon, a 7-day detox, and it requires me to have 48 hours of fasting, and then 5 days on a specific vegan diet, which is basically what I'm eating, but without the nuts and raisins and very low glycemic, to keep you in a fasting state as long as possible. Because when you're fasting, your body can then enter autophagy, when it starts to clean out and get rid of the damaged part of the cells and start to make the cells whole again. And so this detox will be important, and I'll be 7 days without the gym. I'll walk, do some foam rolling, but no lifting whatsoever. And this will be a good balance, going hard for 2 months and then just taking 1 week off. So stay tuned for that. Understand recovery is very, very important. Like I said, it involves sleep, it involves self-care, it involves de-stress, it involves lots of water, it involves clean eating, it involves healthy eating, consistency, it involves, like I said, time off from the gym, lifting iron, foam rolling, stretching. Recovery is more than just stopping, or it's more than just sleeping. It's more than just one thing. Recovery is a system that is used for the body to do just that, to recover. And once it recovers, it's going to be bigger, faster, stronger. Or if you're looking to lose weight, you're going to have shed more pounds from taking time off if you've hit a plateau. If you've hit a plateau, if you've been going and going and going, whether you're building muscle or burning fat or both, the plateau is telling you to, hey, you could kick it up a notch or to completely stop. And for most of us, if you've been kicking into gear every single day and going hard, it's relaxed, right? And you'll know. It'll just be natural. You won't have the urge to go to the gym. It's just like, kind of want to chill. And so, that's it. Make sure you recover. Make sure you take time off, balance, right? Yeah, I have days off, like 1 or 2 days off during the week, but 1 week off is important when you're just going. Like I said, I'll do things like foam rolling. I'll do things like stretching, some resistance band work. I'll go for plenty of walks. I'll drink water. I'll eat my salads. I'll have my shakes. I'll just relax, focus, get things done. And this recovery mode would allow me to be bigger, faster, stronger, leaner than I was before. So recovery is important. Having that balance, taking that break is important. And I guarantee you, if you hit a plateau, or if you just want to see more progress and you've been going for a while, take that time off, recover, and you'll see the benefits dramatically. I gained 4 pounds when I recovered. I started working out. You'll see it towards the last couple of episodes. We didn't really go to the gym, or if we did, we left early. We didn't have a lot of time, and I just naturally took off. And this is where I gained the most weight. And so I have, like I said, detox coming up. You guys will be firsthand to see all that go down. This is like my 8th and 9th detox. So I've done it before. I've done a 7-day, I've done a 14-day, I've done a 21-day. This month's just a 7-day. We do them every quarter. And we're going to get it done. So I'm excited. Stay tuned. I'm about to go to bed for at least 9 hours. There's no question about that. And I will see you guys in the morning. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.